are working on the exercise 8C, and this is our episode number 3 on this exercise. This is Pure Maths 1, AS A Levels Mathematics 9709. The main topic of this exercise is the practical maximum and minimum problems. It contains story sums. And today we are going to start from the question number 7. And I will try to show you the question number 7. So the question number 7 is showing up on your screen. I hope that you were able to read this question. Question number 7. Okay, the diagram shows a 24 centimeter by a 15 centimeter sheet of metal with a square of the side x centimeter removed from each corner. The metal is then folded to make an open rectangular box of the depth x centimeter and the volume v centimeter cube. Show that the volume is equals to 4x cube minus 78x square plus. Okay, so you see, so this is total 24, this is total 15. From this side you have removed x, from this side you have removed x. This is 15. Here you have removed x centimeter. From here you have removed x centimeter. Now we know that when you fold it and an open rectangular box will be formed. So its length will be 24 minus 2x, its width will be 15 minus 2x, and its height will be x. So we have to show the volume. You know the volume is equals to the length multiply width multiply height. The volume is equals to the length multiply width multiply height. And walaikum assalam. So what will happen? We will find the volume. So the length, we know that the length is 24 minus 2x. The width is 15 minus 2x, and the height is x. So just multiply the 3 dimensions, length into width into the height, and we will be able to find out the expression for the volume. Okay, so the multiplication is very easy. So the volume will be equals to, so first of all we have to multiply the 2 brackets, the first 2 brackets. Okay, so it's 24 multiply 15, that will give you 360. So you will have I'm multiplying these 2 brackets, so you will have 360, then minus 48x, then you will have 30x, then you will have minus 4x square, and this x I wrote here. Okay, so I multiplied the first 2 brackets with each other, and the third one, the third x I wrote at the start. Okay, so you will have this will become minus plus. So this become plus, this is minus 30x 24 and minus 40. Okay, so you will have x into 360. So this becomes minus 78x and plus 4x squared. So let me check again. This. Okay. So it's good. So then I will multiply that x. So v will be equals to 360x minus 78x square plus 4x cube. So we can write it as 4x cube minus 78x square plus 360x. This is the A part of that question. Okay, let me see. He said that the expression will be, they said show that the expression is 4x cube minus 78x square plus 360x. So the A part is done of the question number 7. Then in the B part, he says find the stationary value of V and the value of X for which this occurs. Okay. So I have to find out the value of the coordinates where the stationary point occurs. For that purpose, we have to derivate it. So I will find dy by dx, and then we will be able to do it. So it will be dy by the dx equals to 4 into the 3 into the x square minus 78 into 2 into the x plus 360. So you see I have derivated it. So this will become 12x square minus 16, 14, 156 x plus 360. So this is my dy by dx. I have derivated it. Now you know that the stationary point, the value of the dv by, I said y, dv by dx, that will be 0. So at stationary point, the dv by the dx will be equal to 0. So we will make 12x square minus 156x plus 360 equals to 0. Okay. So from this, I made the dv by dx equals to 0. From here, we can find the value of the x on which we will have the stationary point. So I think that 156. Yes, you can take the 12 common. So see, this is simple now. So you will have x square minus 12 ones are, 12 threes are, and 12 threes are, and zeros are equals to 0. So you will have x square minus 13x plus 30 equal to 0. So I took 12 common. And when the 12 will divide with the 0, it will become 0. So you now have x square minus 13x plus 30. We can do the midterm breaking here. So 30 is factors 10 and 3. And so you can have x square minus 10x minus 3x plus 30 equal to 0. So take the common, x minus 10 minus 3 into x minus 10. So you will have x minus 10 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So from here, I will have x minus 10 equal to 0. So the x will be equals to the 10 and the x minus 3 equals 0. So the x will be equals to 3. So there are two stationary points. So I want to find out the value of the v also. So when the x is equals to, you know that the v is equals to, when the x is 10, it will be 4 into 10 and its cube minus 78 into 10 and its square plus 360 into 10. So the value of the v. We can do it on the calculator. Okay. So we will have 4 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. 4 multiplied 10 raised to power 3 minus 78 multiplied 10 square plus 360 multiplied 10, and the answer is minus 200. Minus 200. Okay. So it giving you something like its answer is minus 200. I have to check it. This is doubtful. Okay. Now the other value, I will check that. For that, I will have, this is doubtful value. 4 into the 3 and its cube minus 78 into, this is 3 and its square plus 360 into 3. So I have to check this number again. But let me do the second one. 4 multiplied 3 cube minus 78 multiplied 3 square plus 360 multiply 3. So now I get 486, which looks good. The volume should be positive. Let me check this again, okay? I have I don't know. It does not look good. 4 multiplied 10 raised to power 3. And then you have minus 78 multiplied 10 square. And then you have plus 360 multiplied 10 and equals to, it's minus 200. Okay. So let me check the answer, sir. Question number 486. And okay. So the stationary point, the one we are interested in is 3, 486. This is the value of the x. This is the value of that volume. And what they want me to do was find the stationary value of v and the value of the x for which this occurs. Then in the C part, he says determine the nature of this stationary value. You see, at this x value, the volume is becoming negative. I told you that this is doubtful. Why the volume will be negative? Huh? So just neglect this. Neglect this value 10 because it gives a volume which is in negative. Okay. So we will neglect this. The x cannot be 10. Okay. Even if you put x here, because this whole length is 15. So if I cut 10 here, then this will be not possible. Okay. So this is not possible. The x value cannot be 10 because that makes this side negative. You can see I calculated it, but the volume is negative. Okay, the C part is determine the nature of this stationary value. Okay, we have to determine the nature of this stationary value. For that purpose, I need to do the second derivative. I know the dv by dx, okay? The dv by the dx is equals to how much? 12x square minus 156x and plus, if you want to find out the nature of that stationary point, we need to find out the second. Derivative. So if you need to find out the second, we will find the second derivative. Okay. So my dv by dx, d square v by the dx square will be equals to 12 into 2 into x minus 156 plus 0. So my d square v by the dx square will be equals to 24x minus 156. At x equals to 3, I will check what's the value. So d square v by the dx square will be equals to 24 into 3 minus 156. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 6 and 1, 7 minus 156. 6 2 4, 15 7 8, and negative because this is negative. So it's a maximum point. Because when I put the value of the x in the second derivative, the answer is negative. When the second derivative, the answer is negative. That means it's a maximum point. Let me check the answer from the book, sir. And the answer from the book is V for 486 at x equals to 3. That's the B part. And the C part is the maximum point. So, my dear students, this is how you will do the question number 7 of the exercise 8C. This is our third episode on this exercise. The maths we are doing is pure maths 1's course book. And the chapter number 8 is basically further differentiation. This particular exercise 8C is related with the practical maximum and minimum problems. We are doing Cambridge International ASA levels of mathematics 9709. The course book is related with its paper 1. So this is how you do the question number 7. Now we are going to attempt the next question. The next question is question number 8. I hope you understand this question. The x value cannot be 10, remember this, because that make this side negative. Okay, so let me, so let me erase it. Erasing it is not easy. Okay, so now we are going for the question number 8. Let me show you the question number 8, then we will. So here we have the question number 8 is showing up on your screen. If you are watching the recording of this video, you can pause the video. Question number 8. Okay. He says the volume of a solid cuboid shown in the diagram is 576 centimeter cube and the surface area is 8 centimeter square. Express the y. This is the question number 8 we are going to attempt. And here we have, this is the shape of that thing. This is a solid cuboid. It's not like an open cylinder, okay? This is x and this is y. He says that the volume is already given. The volume is 576 centimeter cube. The surface area of this solid is A. The first part is express y in terms of x. Okay. You know the volume of the cuboid, that is equals to the length multiplied width. Length multiplied width. And so what we will do, multiply 2x with the x and then with the y, and that will be equals to the volume. So from there you can find the value of the y in terms of x. So the volume is length multiply width multiply height, that is 576. So the y will be equals to 576 divided by 2x square. So y will be equals to 2's are 4, 2 8's are 16, 2 8's are 16 divided by the x square. So y in terms of the x, this is the a part, 288 divided by the x square. 288 divided by the x square. So our a part is correct. Okay, then we have the b part. In the b part, he says, show that the area is this. In the b part, he says, show that the area is equals to 4x square plus 1728 divided by x. Okay. You know the surface area of the solid cuboid. This is the b part now. The surface area is equals to the 2 times length into the width plus 2 times length into the height plus 2 times width into the height. Okay, so what we will do, we will just put those values there and we will see. So 2 length is 2x and the width is x. Okay, the length is 2x, the height is y, and the width is x and the height is y. So you will have 4x square plus 4xy plus 2xy. Okay. Now you know we have already found the value of the y in terms of x. So what we will do, we will substitute that value here. We know the value of the y. So we can substitute that value here. Okay. So this is the, so you will have a 4x square plus 4x into 288 divided by the x square plus 2 and x into the y is 288 divided by the x square. We can have simplified this, but I am not. Okay, so no problem. Okay, so 4 into 288. So 4 multiplied 288, that is 1152. Okay, so you will have 4x square plus 1152 divided by the x plus 2 multiply 288, that will be 576 divided by the x. So 570 1152, and that will be 1728 divided by the x. So the area is equals to 4 to x square. The area is 4x square plus 1728 divided by the x. Okay. So let me see. So this was supposed to show, and we have shown it. That was the B part. In the C part, he says find the maximum value of the A and state the dimensions of the cuboid for which this occurs. Okay. So we have to find out the maximum value of the A. So for that purpose, first of all, I will have to find the derivative of the, and I have to find out the derivative dA by dx. Okay. So for that purpose, this is the C part now. A will be equals to 4x square plus 1728 into x raised to power minus 1. So I will derivate it. So we will have dA by the dx equals to 4 into 2 into x plus 1728 into minus 1 into x raised to power minus 2. So you will have 8x plus, not plus, minus 1728 divided by the x square. So this is my dA by the dx. So this is my derivative. So you know the maximum point we have, this, that is a stationary point. So for at the stationary point, you know the dA by dx will be equals to 0. Okay. So at the stationary point, the dA by the dx should be 0. So I will make 8x minus 1728 divided by the x square equals to 0. So this becomes, let me take it to the other side, 8x equals to 1728 divided by the x square. So the x cube will be equals to 1728 divided by the 8. X cube will be equals to, let me check the 1728. Where's my calculator? 1728 divided by 8. So 1728 divided by the 8, and that is 216. So take the cube root on both the sides. So the x will be equals to, so the cube root of the answer equals to, that is 6. So the stationary point, the x will be 6. Now I have to find out because I have to check the second derivative I have to take. So I know my dA by the dx, that is equals to 8x minus 1728 x raised to power minus 2. I will find the second derivative to make sure that this is the maximum point. Okay. So d square a by the dx square will be equals to, this becomes 8 minus 1728 into minus 2 into the x raised to power minus 3. So my d square a by the dx square will be equals to 8 plus 16, 1, 5, 14, 3. And it's positive divided by the x cube. Okay. So at x equals, this become negative. This was negative, yeah. And okay. So at x equals to 6, let me check, because the question is find the maximum value. Okay. So question number 288 divided by the x square, that is right answer, sir. And then the proof, okay, we have the proof, okay, that's right. The proof was that the area is 4x square plus 1728. Then I took the first derivative and it was 8x minus 1728 divided by the x square. Okay, we made it 0. So from there I went that side, and x cube is equals to 216, and then I took the cube root on both the sides. So the x is equals to 6. So the x is equals to the 6. Okay. Okay. That is right. Now I will put those values. But this is not maximum value. Something went wrong. When I took the double derivative, this I took to the other side. So my x is 6. That's right. 8x minus 1728. Okay. X raised to power minus 2. Okay. This comes on the side. This minus minus becomes plus. So this is okay. 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 So what will the value of the d square a by the dx square? So it will be 8 plus 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by the 6 and its cube. And when I do this, my 8 plus 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by the 6 cube. And the answer is 24, which is positive. So at this point, the value of the A because this is positive. Now the dimensions will be so the length is 2x. So 2 into the 6, and that will be 12. The width is equals to the x, and that will be 6 centimeter. And the height is y, and that means it is 288 divided by the x square. So 288 divided by the 6 square. So you will have 288 divided by the 6 square. That will be equals to 8. So we think that the dimensions are 12, 6, and 8. 288 divided by 6 square. 8. Let me check the answers. What are the dimensions? And the answer is 12 centimeter by 6 centimeter by 8 centimeter. The dimensions are correct. And that value of the area will be that is 4x square, 4 into 6 and its square, and plus 1728 divided by it is 6. So let me do the calculation, and let's see what's the answer. So 4 into 6 square plus 1728 divided by the 6. That's 432. You see one very important thing here. The dimensions are correct. The answer matches with the answer in the book. This answer also matches with the answer in the book. So, but there's a problem. He said that find a maximum value. Question number 8. Find the maximum value of A and state the dimensions of the cuboid for which this occurs. This word maximum, I don't think this word is maximum, because at this value of the x, my double derivative, my second derivative do not comes negative. It's positive. So that means it's minimum. So I think there is something wrong with the C parts in the typing error. I think that there is a typing error. So here, because our answer matches with the book, only the problem is with this word. Here he wrote maximum, but our double derivative says it will be what you say, minimum point. So I think that's a typing error. Otherwise, the answer is matching. Let me show you the answer. Question number, this is the answer, sir. Can you see this? Question number 8. So our answers exactly matches with it. The only problem is with that word. We are saying that it's minimum point. They are saying it's maximum point. I think they have typing error. So this is question number 8, and it's possible. Don't worry about this. So my dear student, this is how this is done. You see, my name is Ferhan Mazher, and I'm from Surgoda. And this is, today we are solving exercise 8C, and this is our third episode on this exercise. And today we have done question number 7. Now we have completed the question number 8. And after this, I'm going to attempt the question number 9. This is Pure Maths 1's course book, and this is Cambridge International AS A-Level Maths 9709. We are doing the solution of the course book. Okay, so let's go to the next question. The next question coming up is question number 9. So I have to erase it first of all. So I hope question number 8 is clear to you. So the exercise, this exercise is related with the practical maximum and minimum problems. So these are all story sums which we are attempting. And the basic aim of these videos is to provide the solution of the course book. The students whose mathematics skills are little weak, they need this. And the students who are very, very brilliant and their basic mathematics is very good, I don't think that they need this thing. They can learn from a few questions by practicing few questions. But this, if you do this practice, you will actually master that concept. Okay, so now we are going to attempt the question number 9. He says, let me show you the diagram, then I will draw that diagram. So we are talking about the question number 9 now. The diagram shows a piece of wire of the length 2 meters is bent to form the shape PQRST. PQST is a rectangle and QRS is a semicircle with the diameter SQ. The PT is X. PQ and ST, both are equals to Y. The total area enclosed by the shape is A meter square. Express the Y in terms of X, show that the area is this, and find the first derivative, second derivative. Okay. So this is the question number 9. Okay. So 9, and let me make the diagram. So question number 9 we are going to attempt. Okay. So here we have that diagram. Okay. This is P, this is S, this is Q, this is P, this is Y, meter, this is X, meter, this is the point R, this is the center, this will be, because this will be also X, so this will be X by 2, that will be the radius of that semicircle. Okay? Now the first question is express Y in terms of X. Okay. So, and they have given us something that the whole length of this wire is 2 meters. Okay. The whole length of this wire is 2 meters. Okay. So you will have the length of the wire is equals to 2 meters. That will be Y. This side will be also Y. So you will have Y plus X plus Y plus this arc. This is the arc of the semicircle. That is 2 pi R. R is X by 2 divided by 2. So that will be 2Y plus X plus 2 cancelled. So you will have pi X by 2. And that is equals to 2 meters. That is equals to 2 meters. So we will have multiply all of them with the 2. So you will have 4y plus 2x plus pi x equals to 4. So we will have 4y equals to 4 minus 2x minus pi x. And y will be equals to 4 minus 2x minus pi x divided by the 4. You can take this x common as well from those two terms. Okay. So the y, this is, okay, they have written in this form. In the book they have given this 4 to each one. So you will have 4 by 4 minus 2x by 4 minus pi x by 4. So your y will be equal to 1 minus x by 2 minus pi x by 4. This is the shape given in the book. Means y is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2x minus pi x by 4. Okay. So now we are good. This is how you do the A part. I hope this is question number 9 and it's A part. I hope you understand this. Then in the question number 9, he says, show that the area is equal to this, the area of this shape. The area of this shape is very simple. You see, this is the area of the shape. It's basically a rectangle and a semicircle. So the area will be equal to the area of the rectangle, length into width, that is x into the y, plus the area of the semicircle, that is pi r square by the 2. So this is x into y value is 1 minus x by 2 minus pi x by 4 plus pi. The r, the radius, that is equals to x by 2 and its square. So I just put the values. We have to show this. Okay. The area of the rectangle plus the area of the semicircle. So you will have this. This is x minus x square by 2 minus pi x square by 4 plus, and this will become pi x square. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So you will have x minus x square by 2, and this will become 2, 2 minus 2 plus 1. So you are left with the pi x square by the 8. Okay. You can do this calculation on the calculator. Yeah, they said that the area will be equals to x minus 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 by 8 into the pi x square. So our expression is right. This is the expression for the area. Okay, then in the C part, he says find the dA by dx and the d square a by the dx square. Okay, so they want me to find out, this is the C part. They want us to find out the dA by the dx, first of all. So this will become 1. This will become 1 by 2 into 2 into x minus, this is pi by 8 into 2 into x. So you will have dA by the dx. That will be equals to 1 minus 2 to cancel x minus 4 pi x by the 4. This is my first derivative. And let me check if the answer is right. This is the first derivative will be 1 minus x minus 1 by 4 into the pi x. Yes, the answer is right, sir. Then in the C part, they asked me to find out the double derivative, second derivative, I mean. So we will find the second derivative. So I will take the dA by the dx that is given to me. That is 1 minus x minus pi by 4 into x. Okay. So my second derivative dA square by the dx square will be equals to, one derivative is 0. This is 1 minus pi by 4. So d square a by the dx square will be equals to minus 1 minus pi by 4. Okay. So let me check if the answer is right. Second derivative. This is minus 1 by 4 pi. The answer is right. Okay. Now question number 9 is D part. Find the value for x for which there is a stationary value of the a. Okay. If you have this at the stationary value, at the stationary value, at stationary point, you know that the dA by the dx will be equals to 0. So dA by dx is 1 minus x minus pi x by the 4 is equals to 0. So I take this, let me take them to the other side. So it becomes easy. So this becomes 4x plus pi x. So take the x common. So you will have x common. It will be 4 plus pi. So the x will be equals to 4 divided by the 4 plus pi. for the x value. Find the value of the for x for which there is a stationary value of the a. So that value is we just found that value. I just wrote here, but I don't know when this is visible. So the x value is 4 divided by 4 plus pi. Okay, let me check, sir. This is the D part. 4 divided by 4 plus pi is the right answer, sir. Okay, then we have the E part. He says determine the magnitude and the nature of this stationary value. Okay. Ooh, okay, so you know this double derivative, it does not involve x. So the value of the d square a by the dx square is negative. So it's maximum point. Okay. So the maximum value of the, what is that? Area. So area will be x minus x square. Okay. So you have the value for a formula for the x minus x square by 2 minus pi x square by 8. Okay. So in the place of x, I can put this value. So I will find the value of the a. That is 4 divided by 4 plus pi minus. You can take the x square common. So this will become 1 by 2 minus pi by 8. So in this place, in the value and the x square, I can put this value. This is 4 divided by the 4 plus pi. It has a square on it. And this is 8. So 4 minus pi. Okay. So what can I do? So this will be 4 divided by 4 plus pi minus this will become 16. This is 4 plus pi and it's here. And this is 4 minus pi divided by the 8. This will be cancelled. So you will have 4 divided by the 4 plus pi. This becomes 2 into the 4 minus pi divided by the 4 plus pi and its whole square. I don't know. Let me check. This is going somewhere. Their answer is 2 divided by 4 plus pi. Okay, so we can do this calculation. Okay, we can take the LCM. So the area will be equals to 4 plus pi whole square, and this cancels. So you will have 4 plus pi minus this becomes 8 plus 2 pi. So area will be equals to 16 plus 4 pi. Sorry, let me write here. Area will be equals to 16 plus 4 pi minus 8 plus 2 pi divided by 4 plus pi whole square. So his answer will be, let me see if this is visible or not. Okay, this I think has gone out of the visibility. Okay, now I have to put it here so you can see the whole thing. Sorry. Okay, so 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8, that will be, I think we have gone at, this will be, this is 8. This is going to be plus 6 pi divided by 4 plus pi whole square. But let me see. I think there's something went wrong in the calculation. The area will be 2 divided by 4 plus pi. You see the A value is 4 divided by the 4 pi. Let me check again. Oh, the calculation. X minus x square by 2 minus pi x square by 8. Okay. So what I did here, oh, this is positive. I took a negative outside. So this is positive. So this is positive. Oh, this is positive. This is positive. Okay. So this is positive, then this will become negative. Okay. If this is negative, this is negative, then you will have 2 pi. Okay. Now you can take the 2 common. So you will have 4 plus pi divided by the 4 plus pi whole square. So this is cancelled. So at the end, my answer will be, let me write, where should I write? So this and this will be cancelled. So your final answer, let me write here. So the area will be equals to 2 divided by 4 plus pi. You see, even what happened? I took this negative common. By mistake, I wrote here negative. The sign was supposed to change. So due to that, so our answer was going away. Now the answer is good, sir. So the area will be, let me check again, 2 divided by, and in the denominator we have 4 plus pi, and that will be a maximum point. So my dear students, this is how you will do the question number 9. So we were doing exercise 8C, and this is our third episode on this exercise, and I think it's enough for today. This exercise has 15 questions. All of them are story sum. You see, they are huge questions, okay? Each question takes like 15 minutes. And you have to be very, very careful when you're doing. Even a single mistake can ruin your whole question. And you know, we always teach you that to make a mistake is not a big problem, okay? But if we make a mistake, we go after it and we check that where the mistake happened, and then we correct it, okay? So this is very important. So don't be afraid of making a mistake. Okay, so that's enough for today. If you think that this video is helpful to you, and if you think that this video can be helpful to your class fellows, to your students, please like this video, please share this video, please subscribe my channel, share the link of this video on your WhatsApp groups, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, on your X, wherever that's possible. You see, when you do this, this is a great help for me, and it's a great support for me, and that gives me fuel to continue this work. So, sir, thank you very much. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.